Can Wealthsimple do wire transfers? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can Wealthsimple do wire transfers? Before I get into the answer, I want to share a quick story with you. A few weeks ago, I was helping a friend set up their new Wealthsimple account. They were excited to start investing, but they were also concerned about how they would be able to transfer their money in and out of their account. Wire transfers are a quick and secure way to move money between accounts. They're often used for large transactions, such as buying a house or making a down payment on a car. So, I did some research and found out that Wealthsimple does indeed offer wire transfers. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can use this feature. In order to be eligible for wire transfers, you must have a verified Wealthsimple account. This means that you will need to provide proof of your identity and address. Wealthsimple charges a fee for wire transfers. The fee varies depending on the amount of money you are transferring. Wire transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days to process. How to do a wire transfer? Log into your Wealthsimple account. Click on the Banking tab. Select Wire Transfer. Enter the recipient's name, bank account number, and routing number. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Click on Submit. Once your wire transfer has been processed, the money will be deposited into the recipient's account. So, there you have it. Wealthsimple does indeed offer wire transfers. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can use this feature. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.